Hey guys, it's Richard here. Today we will be showing you how to install pre-cut fenders on the Tesla Model Y. At the end of the video, if you like what you saw, don't forget to like, subscribe, and to comment if you have any questions about it. Let's get started. First thing you have to do is to clean the fenders. Make sure you have cleaned everything around it as well. Spray more around the creases and around the fender camera area. We have cleaned this prior to the video, but we are rinsing it again just in case some dust and dirt got in it. Once you have rinsed it, squeegee off the water. When everything has been squeegeed off, respray the fender before applying the PPF. Now grab the fender piece. If you have an extra pair of hands, it would be extremely helpful, but we will show you how to do it by yourself. We roll up the PPF and peel off the front of the fender. Then we tack it down and peel off the rest of the backing. Make sure you get the other side of the headlight when peeling. Once those two pieces are tacked down, we can take off the rest of the backing. Try not to let the PPF touch the tires or the rims. Once the backing is all off, we will lift the film and spray underneath to make sure everything is well lubricated. When everything is all soapy, we will align the fender area. Let's bring the camera closer for you to see. We want to make sure it has enough soap under it so we can move it a little. Once we have it in place, we will squeegee around it to make sure it stays. You see how water is building up under the camera? We are going to spray alcohol so that everything is sealed. Using alcohol will prevent water from entering the area again. If you feel like it's not sticking well, you can spray a little more alcohol to help. Once that is down, we will work our way out. We will do the bottom first. We are going to align the bottom and then squeegee it down. Once everything is aligned, squeegee it down and spray alcohol on the edges. Now that the bottom is done, we will work on the top section. We first lift the PPF up and respray it with soapy water. Align the top back section of the fender and move towards the hood corner. When that is all done, we will work on the front section. If you find lint or dust in your PPF, you can always pick it out and respray the area with soapy water when you're done. We align the headlight area, then work the PPF out of the center. Once that is done, we align the bottom of the fender and squeegee it down. We noticed that we had an air bubble, so we will lift it and respray it. When you squeegee, you want to squeegee away from the area you have laid down, or else you will create wrinkles and creases. Now we will align the front of the hood and the bumper section. Once it is in place, all the PPF should be smooth and not have any more wrinkles. When it is all smooth, squeegee everything down away from the finished section. Once everything is down, we will spray all the edges with alcohol and squeegee it down to make sure nothing is lifting. Time to finish off the fender by lifting the hood and tucking in any extra PPF. We spray the area with alcohol, so when we squeegee, everything stays down. Here's a close-up of how we are squeegeeing it down. Some pre-cuts do not wrap around, so this section will just end before the hood. We will now steam everything to see if anything lifts, and if it does, we will just squeegee it back down. We found an area with a water bubble, so we will show you how we would remove it. We lift it up and respray it with soapy water, squeegee it down, and then mist alcohol to seal it. Here is the finished product. As you can see, you can't even tell that there's a film on the fender. We are going to rinse the fender with soapy water, squeegee off the water and make sure there is no dirt or dust left on it. Then respray it before applying the PPF. We are going to install this pretty much the same way we installed the other side. We will peel from the front and work our way back. Once everything is peeled, we will spray the PPF on the outside and underneath it. Make sure that when you're doing this, you don't end up dropping the PPF. Now, we will align the fender camera area and squeegee it down. Once we have squeegeed the water out, we will spray the edges with alcohol to seal it. Sometimes you will need to squeegee more than once to make sure it's fully down. We will now work on the bottom of the fender. Pull the PPF down a little until there are no wrinkles showing and that it is smooth. When it's all smooth, squeegee it down and spray alcohol on the edges. Next, we will peel back the areas that we did not put down yet and spray it with soapy water. Once it is all wet, we will then align the top of the fender, starting with the part closer to the mirror, then working towards the area near the hood. Remember to respray the next section before working on it. We will align the film to the headlight and squeegee away from the area that is finished. We will align the bottom section and squeegee that down. When we are done squeegeeing, don't forget to spray the edges with alcohol. Align the front of the fender to the bumper area and squeegee the rest of the PPF down. Pop open the hood and spray the edges with alcohol. Squeegee down towards the hood, starting from the fender just in case you missed an area first. Once everything is done, steam the edges of the PPF to make sure everything is down. The finished product should look like there's nothing on the fender at all. Now that you have protected your fenders against rock chips and debris, watch our other videos on the Tesla Model Y to learn how to protect the rest of your car. Check out our website for information, aftercare, and more. You can buy pre-cuts, rolls, and tools under our products tab. If you liked what you saw, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. If you have any questions about the video, please feel free to comment. Thank you for watching.